Did you buy it?
Well, I'm not so certain. That wasn't painful.
But you got some coffee?
I got coffee out of the deal.
Yay.
Well, we had to stop by the gas station and fill her up before we got home.
Daddy, ready? Let's get in! Daddy, bubbles!
Cool. That's a big. Oh, it hit you. Oh, wait, look up there.
Oh, yeah! Yeah. I guess.
Cool.
Ooh, and the back comes out! Awesome! Let me come in there. You have to go down to get the door open.
Ethan's got the hazards on.
I'd open up this window. Shut the door.
First big tractor excursion. Nice with 105 horse versus a 50 horse. Or 55. Update on the triplets here. They are all doing pretty good. I glanced in here a couple times, make sure they're all right, but yeah, they're bigger today. Good job, Mama. Alright, today was an adventurous day. That's for sure.
Aw.
Good. Trent just got home from work.
Yeah.
She's doing good. I don't know if we should pull one of them or supplement. I don't know. What do you guys think? I know with bums, you know, if it's kind of iffy with the milk, you know, it's like, oh man, hope we don't kill them.
She appears to be feeding all three of them okay.
Pretty equally, it looks like. Like there wasn't.
She has not bummed one herself. Meaning she just kicked it to the curb. So.
Yeah. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look at cute.
But Trent checked these ones. I guess we got two boys and a little girl. Yeah, she's a little bit smaller than that one. But maybe, oh, and tomorrow I got my farm class, so I haven't told you guys, but I've been doing a farm class since February. It's pretty cool. Learning a bunch of stuff, but we got that tomorrow. And Trent's gonna watch the boys, but hopefully after, maybe we can get her ear tag changed out and everything.
Yeah.
Get her hooves trimmed.
She looks like she's doing good.
Yeah, there we go. gosh. That's adorable. Here, sweetie. Little wants to go back to Mom. Yeah. Come on, time to go back to Mom. Alright guys, so we got the cows bale ahead with the new tractor today. We got the triplets outside. We checked the other one that was really puffy. She wasn't letting her babies milk this morning, but she is now, so that's cool. I don't know. We got, we returned the bums, the bottle babies from last year. They're in with the cows because they do not need the alfalfa. They can be straight hay. We need the alfalfa for the milk and moms. But pretty cool.
Well, we got spots.
Oh, I know. This one is adorable. Oh.
She has a spot on her butt.
I know it. It's like a little Dalmatian.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Oh.
I'll always keep him. Cutie. But there's Stumpy, number 3. She's doing great with her twins. Or, well, was single now. Yeah, one she kicked away. But triplet mom's doing awesome. Those babies are all, they look pretty good this morning. So they're out and about running. First time outside. I think they're hiding in the corner over there somewhere. But, yeah, we have to do some of these chores when Trent's off, because, well, we're not really set up for a one sheep operation yet. But that's what we'll be doing this year. So that'll be nice. But Trent got to use the big tractor for the first time.
Pretty fun.
It's what, 104 horse?
Yeah, it's 104 horse, 98 PTO.
Yeah.
And picked up that round bale and couldn't even tell it was on the front end. It was super nice.
That's cool. And look, it dwarfs the other tractor.
I know. But, you know, using that new one, I definitely like my old one too. It's huge.
Well, we had
little areas.
I know. So we got this at the auction in town a couple weeks ago, and the deal was if Trent got this big tractor, he would sell the little one because this big one, we were looking for a big one, but it was much more than we anticipated for budget-wise, and he agreed to sell the little one. But now what's happening?
I don't know. We're having seller's remorse.
Anyway, now we got 2 tractors. We were gonna get a smaller little like 80 horse I saw on Craigslist for like $7 grand.
But it doesn't have a loader.
Yeah.
But we'll still see, because I don't know. If the right deal comes along.
But
If I could find one with remotes, because my rake takes 3 remotes. Or if I can figure out how to rake with only 2 of them, if one of them's not as important, like widening it out and everything, maybe just do 2. We'll see. We'll keep you posted.
We'll have to show you that too. Anyways, and we still haven't told you the reason why we have bought the big tractor. So.
Probably starting to figure something out though.
Yeah. Alrighty. Catch you guys later. See you next time.
Bye-bye.